Hi, I'm Peggy Paul Casella from Thursday Night Pizza, and today I'll be teaching you how to make delicious homemade pizza in your cast iron skillet. All right, step one, get your cast iron pans in the oven and preheat to as hot as your oven can get. Mine is at 550 right now, and it's been preheating for about an hour. Step two, while your pan is preheating, prep everything, including your surface. So I've got my trivets ready to go to protect my work surface. I have my oven mitts ready to take the pans out of the oven when I'm ready. I have all of my toppings prepped, cut, spoons in the bowl with the sauce, and I rolled out my pizza dough balls. I'm working with Neapolitan dough today, but you can use any pizza dough you like. The quicker you work, the better your pizza will be, because the longer your pan sits out while you are topping your pizza, the more heat it is going to lose. And then your pizza is going to take a little longer to cook, and the crust just might not turn out the way you like it. I think we are ready to take those pans out of the oven. Okay, these pans are super hot. So what I like to do, especially with pans with a handle, I like to put a towel on the end just to remind myself, do not touch that handle. I already burnt myself last week on this. So, all right, first things first, take your tongs and your paper towel, coat the paper towel in some oil, and go like this to just coat the inside of your pan. You don't have to, but I like that it makes the crust a little extra crispy and flavorful, and it protects your pan too. Okay, then you're ready for your dough. So stretch it out to the size of your pan. If you have to, cut the dough ball in half if it's a smaller pan, but one dough ball should be great for a 12-inch pan or 14-inch pan. You can see the smoke coming off of that pan. It is hot. Okay, I'm gonna try and top both of mine at once, as quickly as I can. Okay, we're ready to bake. I am going to put these in the oven and bake them for about 15 minutes or until the crust is browned evenly on the bottom. All right, they are out of the oven. These both together in the oven took about 13 minutes at 550 degrees. You want the crust to be nice and even brown around the edges, and then you want to take a spatula and check the bottoms. About the 10-minute mark, I would take a look just to make sure, because every oven is different and pans can be different too. So you want to look for some nice even browning on the bottom. This one here actually cooked a little more than the other. This one, I might be able to just pick it up like this. This guy even got a little extra brown on the bottom. So if you like your pizza super crispy, go with a little longer cooking time. So, now I'm just gonna transfer these to my big cutting board, cut them up, and see how they taste. And just like that, you have delicious restaurant-style pizza that you made at home using a piece of equipment you probably already have in your kitchen. The main difference that I can tell about pizza baked on cast iron rather than a baking stone or a baking sheet is that the bottom crust is a lot crispier. So, I don't know if you can hear this, but it's got a considerable crunch to it when you bite in. Are you ready? Yeah, the bottom crust is a lot crispier than I can usually get on my stone, and it cooks a little bit more. So, on the one hand, you have to be careful that you don't burn it on the cast iron skillet, because that will happen super fast. That's why I like to check around the 10-minute mark. But man, if you like a crispy crust and you have a cast iron skillet, do yourself a favor and give this a try. I hope this helped. Thank you.